Hey guys, it's Lola. So I'll be doing a review on this moisturizer from Drunk Elephant. I just got a small bottle of this one called Lala whipped cream. So whipped cream, it sounds like it should be like creamy. Okay. And the texture, oh yes, the texture, it's really soft. I see, okay. It was so soft, like I can help touching it with all my fingers. Okay, this is too much. Let me apply this on my face. Okay. It kind of feels like silicone-y. So the texture when I touch it with my finger, it actually does feel like it's a cream on the cake. I like this cute little elephant drawing on the case. Okay, so let me see what it says on the case. Facial moisturizer. Suggested use. Apply anytime to cleanse the skin. Okay, that was really simple one. I think I have to see how I actually feel about this in the morning because this is night. I'll come back in several hours. In morning. And what I feel is that it's not bad, but my skin is not. What I feel is that it's not moisturized as much as I expected. But let me try it putting up in the morning, and I'll see like how it keeps my skin moisturized throughout the day. You know what? It feels so nice when you scoop up with your finger. Oh my god, I'm having another breakout right there. Damn. Hey, so I've been using this moisturizer as the very last step of my skincare. And I think I like it so far because it does keep my skin moisturized. Just that I actually like the one from Ben because that actually did keep my skin hydrated longer time. But considering the volume and the price, I think this one is pretty good too. Because for like 60 bucks, you get a big bottle of Drunken Elephant, and around the same price, you get a smaller portion of this mask pack. So I think this one is a good product, just that I am not really seeing what all the hype is about. This product is good for sure, just that I think it's a bit overhyped in my opinion. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked my review, and if you like to see more skincare routine and skincare product review, please like and subscribe. Thank you.